is what she wants. And of course, she got this problem from where you said? Online. And you go online to do what? Don't you have a book?
Yeah, I do.
You have a book, why don't you use the book?
Because I'm too lazy to look through them. Glossary on the index.
Outstanding. You are a baby from the Google area, aren't you? You like to Google everything. So, obviously that is the equation we want. The delta H for, and using Hess's law, what's this number you wrote here? Is this a 9 or an 8?
Maybe it's a 9.
Can be 0, right?
It's 94.5.
And you are sure these numbers are correct?
That's what
Guys, Google them.
that used to be.
That is a lot of stuff to Google, yes?
Indeed. Yahoo.
Why don't you look it up in the index of your book? Oh, it's not in the index of your book? It's not?
Damn, there's a lot of fractions in this room.
You're gonna give them any fractions.
What happened?
You're gonna give fractions.
I am not going to give you fractions. What's the problem with fractions? You don't like them? Why are you putting your feelings into this? You mean you don't like them? Like saying, oh my God, I don't like it's raining. So what? You can't do anything about it, right? So if you don't like them, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you what you don't like. Anyway, if you have a calculator, your fingers, triggered by your brain, can say 7/2, and you write the number. It's no big deal. So what we want is the stuff on the top. We must manipulate the ones underneath to get those, okay? The first one is, I need CO2 to be where? The one I need, yes?
Yeah.
Where is supposed to be CO2 at? On the reactant side. Where is CO2 at here? On the product, yes?
Yes.
I must change this from the product to the reactant. Did you like my accent? No? You did? Why not?
Not strong enough.
Oh, not strong enough? All right.
Make it stronger.
I'll work on it, okay? So CO2 plus that gives you C2H6G for gas, 7 divided by 2 of oxygen. And if I did this, if I reverse this reaction, what happens to this delta H? It changes the sign. I am going to change the sign already. You ready? Instead of minus, I am going to write a plus. And I wrote this plus because a minus times a minus from before give you a plus. All right, I'm done with this one. What's next?
Into water.
CO2 comes the water. Okay, where's the water at?
At a good place.
Water is on the reactant
Yeah,
side. I am going to leave that equation the same, okay? Now, the water, does it have any numbers in front?
Nope.
Nope.
It doesn't have any numbers in front. But we have a problem, yes?
Yeah.
There is another water. Uh-oh. So if there is another water, and that other water is a product, then what?
Change.
You change it to the
I don't
reactant.
know. Because it happens twice, I'm going to leave it, okay? I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to try to find out what I have to do from the rest of them. Yes?
Okay.
You got it or no?
Yeah.
So I didn't touch the water, because water is twice. I don't know which one I have to change, right? I'm going to look at this one then. C2H2, where is this at?
The first one.
C2H2 is here. All right. So where is it supposed to be?
Product side.
On the product side. C2H2 is on the product side. I need this to be on the product side. This is another I have to find the reverse of, yes? C2H6G will give you what? C2H2 gas plus 2H2 gas. What have I done to this?
Flipped it.
I have to change this sign again. Which one is the sign I changed?
Positive.
This minus changed to a positive 94.5 because of minus times another minus. Now we have no choice but to deal with this water thing, yes? Let's deal with the water. I need how many?
I'm kind of confused, I'm sorry. We have a C2H2 on a product side, and after the first equation, we have C2H2 on the reactant side, so we change it, yes?
Yeah.
We change.
This is what we want, yes?
The original.
Guys, I can't see because I have made a mess on the board, right? But you guys are from a distance, you can see it better, yes? I can't see a thing. I don't even know what's going
Put a
on.
line. There you go.
Okay? This is what I'm doing. Is this correct? 2 CO2 is on this side, yes?
Yeah,
With the 3 waters.
we live,
And then C2H6 is on which side?
we don't have it. I mean, we start working with the C2H2.
C2H6. You were trying to get C2H2 on the
Yeah.
right side.
Yeah, I'm trying to get C2H2 on the right-hand side. Is C2H2 in more than one place or is it just one place?
Just one.
One.
This one.
Just one place. I gotta put this equation reversed, yes?
Yeah.
Which is what I did. Is that okay? Yes or no?
Yes.
Alright. Now, I need to do something with this water. What else is here? The oxygen. The oxygen, how many times is oxygen? This oxygen is here, this oxygen is there. Do I want to touch, have I touched this equation already? Have I used this equation?
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's the first
First one.
First one, yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
So I've used this equation already. Have I used this equation?
Yes.
I've used this equation. The only one I have to use is this one. All right.
And some of the oxygens will equal to.
I need to cancel what? The waters need to give me how many waters at the end?
Water.
How many waters?
One water.
You need to have.
One water. So I need the waters to go to what side in order to cancel out, and with how many do they have to cancel out?
There's 2.
They have to cancel out with 2 of these, yes? So the water needs to go on this side, yes or no?
Yeah.
And if the water goes on that side, I have to write this on which side? On this side. So I am going to write H2 plus 1/2 oxygen gas. I have not changed what this is, yes?
Okay, can you repeat again? Why is it that
So delta H become negative?
Yeah, it becomes negative, but we're not there yet, okay? I have done this because water showed up twice, yes? oxygen showed up twice. I don't know where to put them unless I can follow the rest of the stuff. Now, I need overall, when I add or subtract things, I need how many waters? One. That means that I have to put the water on the other side to cancel with this water. So I put the water on that side to cancel with this water, but I didn't put the right number here yet. Okay? But it will cancel with this water because that's a product, this is a reactant. What else is going to cancel is this oxygen is going to cancel with this oxygen. Yes or no?
Yes.
Hopefully, yes. If not, we're going to have a serious problem here. Because the professor is not able to do the problem, yes? All right. So I need how many waters? 2. I got to multiply everybody by 2. So let's do that. Let's say multiply everybody by 2. I'm going to place a 2 here. I'm going to place a 2 there. And I'm going to place a 2 here. You agree? This delta H will become what?
2 times.
It will be multiplied times 2.
Changed.
And it also will change the sign, yes? What was the sign before for this? Positive. Now it will be negative 71.2 kilojoules. So what's this equal to?
Minus 142.4.
Now if you pray, it might add up, okay? If not, we're going to finish the class right now. All right, let's see what happens. So I have 2 waters here and 3 waters there. What's going to happen is all of those waters are going to cancel with.
Isn't this one 3? That's not a 3, 2 water. The first one?
It is a 3, but we need a 3 there.
Why multiply by 2 and not by 3?
Yeah, why multiply by 2 not by 3? I'm confused.
Because they're not trying to cancel out the water.
Yeah.
You want one left, that's why.
Oh, you got it.
You didn't explain that last time.
I have explained absolutely everything.
No, but when you have 2 things like that, when you have 2 things like that.
We have never done a problem like this. That
Yeah.
doesn't mean
You're
that.
right, yeah, you're right.
That does not mean you're incapable of doing it, okay? We need a water here, my friends, yes?
Yes.
If I multiply this thing by a 3, I'm gonna have 3 waters there, 3 waters here, they all cancel out.
Yeah.
I need 2, so only 1 is left, so I can have that number there. All of what I have done is so I can have that 1 there. I don't know about oxygen. I'm praying that it's gonna work. It's not going to work?
No.
All right, let's see. So, the hydrogen. How many hydrogens do I have? 2 H2. The hydrogens have to cancel out too.
Yeah, we can do it. We have a
So-
second one.
There is 2 hydrogens here, and how many hydrogens here?
2.
2 hydrogens there. That canceled out. So far, what do we have? We have 2 CO2. At what time are we supposed to leave?
Now.
Plus 1 H2O.
Plus 1 H2O.
Yields. C2H2.
What happens to the C2H6? The
Well, it
C2H6
cancels out.
cancels out. All I have now, let's take care of the oxygen, okay? This oxygen is 1. Tell me, 7 over 2 is equal to how much?
3.5.
3.5? So how much are we going to have?
2.5.
2.5. You telling me it doesn't cancel out? 5 over 2 is 2.5.
I didn't realize it was 5. What did it be subtracting, so wouldn't that make it negative?
Negative? No. How many oxygens is this?
1.
1 oxygen.
Yeah.
You see it? And how many oxygens is this?
3.5.
3.5 oxygens. And 1 oxygen and 3.5 oxygens give you how much?
2.5.
1 oxygen from in there cancel out. So this is going to be 2.5 oxygen, which is 5 over 2.
Yes.
But I thought we subtract from the reactant to the product side.
We do. It's 2.5 on that right-hand side, it's 5/2.
Yeah, we got you.
So guys, you add all of this now. You add this plus 280, so delta H is 283 kilojoules, let's not write kilojoules. 283 plus 94.5 minus 142.4 kilojoules. Whatever that gives you, I don't know. 235, what's the answer?
235 for.
235.1 is the answer, outstanding. Luckily, the professor got me, huh?
I'm sorry, but it's just, we have 3H2O on the left side, and then we have 2H2O on the right side. So we subtracted those, we have 1H2O. For the other side, why did we do that? It's 3.5 oxygen, and then we subtracted that from the